Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Elixir, that is a monophasic liquid oral dosage form from Pharmaceutics 2. The topics to be covered are as follows: Introduction to monophasic liquid dosage forms, classification of liquid dosage form, and Elixir as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage forms. The monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving the solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as a solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as a solute. The classification of liquid dosage form, it gets divided into two main classes: liquid meant for internal administration and liquid meant for external administration. In case of internal administration, it again divided into three types: mixture, syrups and elixirs. And for external administration, it again divided into three types, that is liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouth, liquids instilled into body cavities, and liquids applied on skin. So liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouth, it again divided into three classes: gargles, mouthwashes and throat paints. Liquids instilled into body cavities are again divided into three classes: douches, eardrops and nasal drops. And last one, liquids applied on skin, it is again divided into three types, that is sprays, liniments and lotions. So today we will discuss about elixir. Elixirs are clear sweetened hydroalcoholic preparations intended for oral use, and usually it is flavored for palatability. Alcoholic content vary from 10% to 12% and up to 40%. Advantages of elixirs: it is used as a taste masker and also self-preservative. Disadvantages of elixir, that is addiction, liver sclerosis, sedation, dizziness. Large amount of alcohol cause burning sensation to the tongue. Difference between syrup and elixir: syrup are concentrated aqueous preparation of sugar or non-sugar substitute with or without added of flavoring agent and also the medicaments. Elixirs are the clear sweetened hydroalcoholic solutions intended for oral use, are usually flavored to enhance their palatability. Syrup are usually more sweet than elixir, while the elixirs are less sweet than syrup. Syrups are more viscous than elixir, while elixirs are less viscous due to containing lower proportion of sugar. Syrup are more effective than elixir, while the elixir is less effective than syrup. Need of elixir: some drugs are insoluble in water, so in this case we can't use syrups and suspension. So we have to make a dosage form which could dissolve non-polar compounds. Aid in masking the unpleasant taste of the active ingredients. Types of elixirs: there are two types, non-medicated and medicated. Non-medicated elixir, these are the simple elixirs that do not contain medicated agents. These only contain alcohol, sweetening agent, coloring agent. They are self-preserving, used as a diluent or a vehicle. Medicated elixirs are a solution of the active ingredient dissolved in a water and an alcohol, often along with other excipients such as preservatives. Antihistamine elixirs, primarily used in the symptomatic relief of allergies. It suppresses the symptoms caused by histamine. Brand name for it is promethazine Winthrop. Ingredients of promethazine elixir: sodium benzoate, sodium sulfate and sodium metabisulfite. Adverse effects are dryness of nose, mouth, throat, then dizziness, disturbed concentration, sedation. Antihistaminic agents are basic amines. Ingredients of elixir: sugar or sugar substitutes like the sugar, for an example polyglycerol or sorbitol, alcohol, water, flavoring agents and flavor enhancers, coloring agents, although it is a self-preserving but preservating agents may be added like parabens, excipients. Often an elixir has a more ingredients than just the drug, water and ethanol. Elixirs often contain glycerin, sorbitol, polyethylene glycol or syrups. These are sweetening agents and it can mediate the pharmacological effects of the ethanol. Polyethylene glycol, that is a PEG, it may be used in an elixir as a substitute for both the glycerin and ethanol. Alcohol, usually ethyl alcohol is used as the alcohol. Concentration is about 10 to 12%. Then sweeteners, elixirs are always sweetened but rarely contain sucrose. This is because the sucrose makes a solution much more viscous or thick, an undesirable property in an elixir. Many other sweeteners can be used including aspartame, carboxymethyl cellulose and its derivatives saccharin, cyclamate and acesulfame, potassium. However, none of these sweeteners are considered truly safe. In fact, cyclamate and saccharin are banned in several countries. Other ingredients are viscosity modifier and flavor enhancer. Method of preparation. Alcohol soluble and water soluble components are generally dissolved separately in alcohol and water. Then aqueous solution is added to the alcoholic solution, so minimal separation of the alcohol soluble components occurs, and then the mixture is made up to the volume by the specific solvent or vehicle. Then talc is added to remove the excess amount of oil, and after that filter the preparation. Then pour it in a clean bottle and label the bottle. Storage. Elixir should be stored in a tightly closed and light resistant container away from direct heat and sunlight. What we learned from this topic, elixir monophasic liquid oral dosage form, is what is a monophasic liquid dosage forms? Classification of liquid dosage form and a brief information regarding elixir as a monophasic liquid dosage form. Thank you.